Yo, what is up guys, it is Cookin Universe here, and today guys, if you're looking for healthy recipes, including this sausage and peas pasta, well it's a pasta so it's kind of healthy, right? Then you are in the right place. So I am about to reveal some easy ways, and I mean easy, of how to cook this recipe without having to pay some crazy expensive price. Now, I understand that cooking can be very tedious, but don't worry because I'm going to share with you guys this sausage and peas pasta, but the easy way. And it's pasta, and pasta is always easy. But before I get in this video, I just want to say, yes, I did get a haircut, if you guys are wondering. It's my haircut for sure, that's all. But another thing, I would like to give a humongous shout out to Ibotta. The place where if you buy certain groceries from a certain grocery store, you get cash back on the groceries that you bought. I have saved a ton of money off some of these ingredients of this recipe. All you gotta do is just use my referral code when you sign up. Link in the description below, or it's subtitles right here. And once you submit your first receipt on Ibotta, you get an extra $10 back on the groceries that you bought. But that is only if you use my referral code that is subtitled right here. And the best part about Ibotta is that it's 100% completely free to sign up. And I would like to put a disclaimer on here that I also make $10 on Ibotta too when you sign up. So now, without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. And of course, this is pasta, so you're gonna need some rigatoni, 2 tablespoons, or maybe just a little bit more if you want, or if you just don't even count it like me, of extra virgin olive oil. But I would just say 2 inches or more if you need some. Next things next, some sweet premium Italian sausage. Or it can be hot Italian sausage too if you want. But I just get the sweet one because I'm a list. 12 ounces worth of sweet peas. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. It doesn't really matter what type of butter it is, I just get the unsalted. And this is totally optional, but if you would like some grated Parmesan cheese, always works on this. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into this recipe. 24 hours before you cook the sausage and peas recipe, make sure to take the sausage out of the freezer and put it into the fridge. Grab a large pot and fill it up with water. If you would like to, make sure to put some salt into it too, just so it can boil quicker. Make sure to turn the temperature on high and put the top on the pot. Make sure to put the extra virgin olive oil into the skillet and fill the bottom part of the skillet. Get the sausage out and remove the casings off of the sausage. Usually around then is when the water starts boiling. Put the rigatoni inside of the pot and cook it on medium or high heat, or anywhere in between, for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to turn the temperature up to about 225 degrees, somewhere around there, and start mashing the sausage, flipping it over to brown it. And as I was making the sausage, all of a sudden, the pot got a little overboiled. And well, it was being cooked on high temperature, in which I do not recommend you do, because exactly this will happen, and the top was on too. So I would recommend that you cook it more on medium heat. Once those 8 to 10 minutes are up on the pasta, or if it is softened, but most importantly, if the pasta is softened, then that's all what really matters. Make sure to put the pasta inside of the drainer. And the drainer is so small that not all the pasta could fit in there, so I just fit as much of it as I can. Once the sausage is fully brown, make sure to add the frozen peas and turn the temperature down just a little bit. I just turn it down from 225 to 200 degrees and mix the peas around with the sausage for about 5 minutes. Make sure to get the pasta out of the drainer and put it back into the pot. Once those 5 minutes are up with the peas, make sure to put your 4 tablespoons of butter inside of the skillet and cook it for about 5 minutes. And make sure to mix it all around too, so the butter can fully melt. And while I'm mixing around the butter, peas, and sausage, if you're interested in discovering more about getting cash back on groceries, then be sure to check out Ibotta at the link in the description below.
5 minutes later.
Make sure to transfer the pasta from the pot to where the sausage and peas are in the skillet. And I didn't put all the pasta in there because the skillet was a little bit too small. And make sure to mix it around too if you can. For me, it was a little bit hard to mix. And then voila, you got your sausage and peas pasta recipe. Alrighty guys, so now it is the time where we feast once again. Now you cannot forget the Parmesan cheese. Let me shake it real quick. There we go. Rigatoni, there we go. Oh yeah, this slaps. Oh yeah, big time. Yeah, that's a big time slap right there. The Parmesan cheese definitely adds some flavor to it, so it's really, really good. So like always, 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Oh, didn't see you guys there. Well guys, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss any more videos helping you out cook the healthy, cheap, and easy way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.